Welcome back to Chalkline Crime and a chilling minute of true crime mystery, where we dive into the dark world of Robert Pickton. Known as the pig farmer killer, this Canadian serial murderer sent shockwaves around the globe. His reign of terror lasted from 1997 to 2001 with a confirmed victim count of 27, but suspicions of as many as 49. A gruesome tale unfolds at Pickton's pig farm where he allegedly disposed of bodies. His capture in 2002 marked the end of an era of dread. Today, Pickton is serving a life sentence, leaving behind a legacy of fear. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and join us again for another slice of true crime history.